Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make probiotic Mysore bhaji in my Royal Kitchen. Probiotic bacteria are live microorganisms that can be consumed through fermented foods or supplements. These affect our blood sugar, brain health, heart health by reducing the cholesterol levels. Probiotics are usually bacteria such as lactobacilli and bifidobacteria. Our intestines contain more bacteria, for example gut bacteria, that controls how much of energy you digest from certain foods. Therefore, they play an important role in our weight loss and weight gain. Probiotics help balance the friendly bacteria in our digestive system. Probiotics can reduce the risk of severity of diarrhea from a number of different causes. Probiotic supplements improve some mental health conditions such as depression, anxiety, stress, and memory, among others. So, once in a while, make probiotic foods recipes and eat them and keep your health in a good condition. Keep yourselves healthy by eating these type of probiotic foods. Now I will show you how to make this probiotic Mysore bhaji in my Royal Kitchen. Before going to proceed, I want to make a request to you. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. I need your constant support for the promotion of my channel. Let's get started. To make probiotic rich Mysore bhaji, we have to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida in a mixing bowl. To this add 1 cup of curd. To this mixture I have added 1 small chopped green chilli and 1 small chopped onion. We have to mix all of them into a homogeneous mixture. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix all of them well. Keep it aside for overnight for fermentation to multiply the lactobacillus bacteria. That is, I have kept the dough for fermentation overnight to multiply the probiotic bacteria in them. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to this. Now mix all of them by beating like this. Just like egg beating, we have to beat like this. Now let us add 1 teaspoon of salt to this. Mix everything well. For 5 minutes we have to beat everything. Our batter is somewhat loose, so add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to this and again mix it. We have to maintain this much of consistency in our batter. When we drop it like this, it should drop. I have kept the oil for boiling. Now let us take a ball-sized bondas and drop them into the oil like this. We have to pour all of them like this. We have to fry all of them until they get into golden brown. I have added 2 pinch of baking soda to these bondas. This recipe is called as Mysore Bhaji. Transfer this into a strainer which contains kitchen towel to remove the excess oil from the Mysore Bhaji. I am frying the second round of the Mysore Bhaji also. See, they are floating on their own on the surface of the oil. No need to flip them. Let us fry them into golden brown color from all the sides. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.